The highly watched murder case surrounding Luigi Mangione has taken a dramatic new turn, and it could completely change the outcome of his upcoming trial. According to a judge in New York, Mangione's legal team plans to present a psychiatric defense during his state murder trial for the killing of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson. The announcement has immediately sparked debate, raising questions about accountability, mental health, and what justice could ultimately look like in one of the most talked about criminal cases in recent memory. So what exactly does this defense mean, and why is it such a significant development? Judge Gregory Caro revealed that Mangione's attorneys intend to argue that he was suffering from what the law describes as extreme emotional disturbance at the time of the incident. In legal terms, this is not the same as claiming insanity. Instead, the defense acknowledges the act itself while arguing that the defendant's mental and emotional state substantially affected his judgment during the event. If a jury accepts that argument, the consequences could be major. Rather than convicting Mangione of murder, jurors could instead find him guilty of the lesser charge of manslaughter. That distinction could mean a significantly reduced prison sentence compared to a murder conviction. The revelation came after a previously sealed court hearing that took place earlier this month. The hearing was conducted behind closed doors at the request of the defense, and details remained hidden from the public until Judge Caro addressed the issue in court. The judge explained that the records had been temporarily sealed to give the defense time to determine whether they would pursue the psychiatric defense and clarify the exact nature of their strategy. But the decision to unseal those records has created another layer of controversy. Mangione's attorney, Karen Friedman Agnifilo, argued that making the information public could negatively impact her client's separate federal case. According to the defense, the psychiatric argument available in state court may not be available in federal proceedings, potentially creating challenges as both cases move forward. Meanwhile, courtroom tensions were already high after a procedural mistake delayed a key ruling by one day. Prosecutors reportedly failed to notify the jail that Mangione was required in court, forcing the judge to postpone his decision. During Wednesday's hearing, Mangione appeared in court wearing a blue suit and light-colored dress shirt as he sat between members of his legal team. Observers noted the serious atmosphere surrounding the proceedings as both sides prepare for what is expected to be an intense legal battle. Public reaction has been swift and deeply divided. Some people believe the defense is a legitimate legal strategy that deserves consideration by a jury. Others argue that it risks shifting focus away from the victim and the gravity of the crime itself. Across social media and news platforms, discussions continue to grow as the case attracts nationwide attention. Now, all eyes are on the upcoming trial scheduled for September 8. Will the jury be persuaded that extreme emotional disturbance played a role in the killing? Or will prosecutors successfully argue for a murder conviction? As the trial date approaches, this case continues to raise difficult questions about mental health, criminal responsibility, and the complex intersection between the two.